Yeah, my name is Heun. I'm a consultant psychiatrist, and I'd like to invite you to the third online conference of the Global Psychiatric Association on the 10th to 11th of November 23. There will be lectures by eminent psychiatrists, and confirmed are already Darya Ahmed from Iraq on suicide and self-immolation in Iraq, Professor Grabe from Germany, who needs to be thinking about his title yet. For myself, how to write and publish a well-cited psychiatric paper. Sujita Kar from India, early augmentation in psychiatric disorders, relevance, scopes and challenges. Florian Riese from Switzerland, palliative psychiatry. Dragana Ristic from Serbia, are we still resilient? Effects of COVID-19 on health workers in 3 consecutive years. I'm very proud to talk about Norman Sartorius from Switzerland, community care facing the challenges of the 23rd century. He is a great speaker. Julio Torales will confirm his title. So we have people from at least 3 continents. There will be opportunities to present and discuss your own state-of-the-art lecture. All the lectures will be streamed and will be available on YouTube channels, so you can download it later or you can use it later. There are opportunities to publish your paper in Global Psychiatry Archives, so you get excellent at least 12 hours of CPD or training for only $40, or if you're from LAMIC countries, $20, or if you're GPA members, the same. So if you're interested, please register your interest at www.globalpsychiatricassociation.com. Use the appropriate link. And for those wanting to give a presentation, please contact globalpsychiatry@gmx.com. And the general subject will be psychiatric developments, local, regional, and global. And thanks a lot for your interest. And I wish you a good evening.